your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Select Menu in the home screen. Home screen. Select Preferences, Network. If the login screen appears, enter the correct ID and PIN. Logging into the machine. Select Wireless LAN settings. If the "Do you want to enable the wireless LAN" message is displayed, select Yes. Read the message that is displayed and select OK. Select SSID settings. Select Access Point. The machine starts searching for available wireless routers. Select a wireless LAN router. Select the router whose SSID matches the one that you have written down and select Next. Enter the network key that you have written down. Enter the network key and select Apply. Select Yes. Wait until message Connected is displayed. Select Close. Wait several minutes until the IP address and other items are set automatically. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store. On your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon Print Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app, download and install the app on your smartphone. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Canon Print app. Launch the app once it has been installed. Add printer, tap on the plus icon or select Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Canon MF635Cx from the list. Follow prompts. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. You may need to confirm that you want to connect to this printer. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page from the Canon Print app. Select a document or photo and choose the print option.